Hi friends, welcome to the first day of math distance learning. Today we're going to review counting our numbers up to 20 and then we're going to do a little game. Let's get into it. The first thing that we are going to do is we're going to practice counting our numbers. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, here's where it gets tricky, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, here is our I can statement for today. I can build numbers in 10 frames. Let's get into that. I want us to be able to get into building some numbers with our 10 frames. So I have got my double 10 frame here. Now notice I didn't have a printer, so I just drew one onto a piece of paper, and I think that's going to work fine. Now, you need to have like 2 plates, 2 napkins, or you can just make 2 piles. I'm gonna draw for myself 2 squares. Sort of like I have 2 napkins here, but I don't. I've just got 2 squares. And I'm gonna put some beads, some yellow beads into one of my squares and some blue beads into one of my squares. So let's do that. All right, now I'm going to put some blue beads into a square. All right, so let's count our yellow beads first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I put 11 yellow beads into this blue square. Can you put 11 items on your napkin or plate that you have? 11. Now, if you need more time, you can pause the video. Now I'm going to build 11 in my double 10 frame. Now I know that one of these 10 frames has 10 and the other one has 10, sort of like our Rec and Rec. 10 on top and 10 on bottom. I'm going to take some counters. Now if you don't have counters, you can just use the items from your napkin, but I'm going to use some counters just so that we don't get confused with all the items. And I'm going to build this number. Now, how many was here? 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 10 and one more. Can you group your items that are on your napkin like that? I'm going to 10 and one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and one more makes 11. 10 and one more makes 11. Let's write that. 10 and one more makes 11. Now, is this the same as this? Yes, it is. Just because they look different, we have the same number. We have 11. Let's look at our blue beads now. Let's look at our blue beads. Let's count how many blue beads Miss Day put on our little square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, so Miss Day put 13 blue beads. I did 10 beads and 1, 2, 3 more. 13 beads. Let's build 13 in our double 10 frames. Now remember, we've already built 11, so I'm going to ignore that because we're building 13. Now I know that that's going to be 10, but I'm going to count it anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I have 10, and how many more? 3 more, so I need 3 more. 11, 12, 13, 10 and 3 more, 13. We have 11, which was this, and 13, which is this. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I'm so excited to see you when we do math tomorrow.